Canva is free to use online graphic design tool. I use it to create social media posts, presentation, posters, videos, logos, and more. What is Canva used for to create professional looking designs with the seconds and it makes it even easier to send your designs directly to your social media platforms. Basic techniques of image manipulation. There are various ways to manipulate image. Resizing, color adjustment, brightness and contrast, convert text and photos, wrapping, balance, convert photos, added effects. Etiquette. Remember the human, respect time and bandwidth, make yourself look good online, know where you are in the digital space. Respect others' privacy, don't abuse your power, share expert knowledge.